guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. Don't I look extra bright or something lately? Like, what is going on with my lighting? Like, when I take my pictures, I notice that too. Like, I'm not even changing the, what's it called? Like, the exposure or anything, and my pictures look like so bright, like, and that's how I feel it is right now. Like, I just don't understand. But anyway, here I am. Hi. Do you guys like my little, like, crap on my shirt? There's a pizza, there's a diamond, there's a donut, and we're gonna stop there because that would just be inappropriate. But anyway, I thought this shirt fit with what we are reviewing today, which is none other than ColourPop. Hey, aren't they like all like bright and whatever? I don't know. I've never used ColourPop. Isn't that weird? No, I've used one little lippy thing from like an Ipsy bag, but I've never purchased ColourPop. So I'm actually excited to try this because you guys all seem to love it. We belong together. Well, that is just so darn cute. So I ordered on like Thursday when the palette launched, and I feel like everyone got theirs, and I was like, oh, okay, like, where's my stuff? And it came a little late, but that's alright. That's okay. It wasn't super late, but I feel like it took longer than, it took a week. Okay, so that was like a normal amount of time, I guess. It was just strange. They never sent like a shipping confirmation to say like that it's like, you know how normally they say like it's packaged, it's ready to go. So they finally sent one on like Wednesday, so that was like almost a week, and then I got it on Thursday. So it was like, that's weird. Like, then on Thursday they put it's out for delivery, and I'm like, what? They just told me they sent it. So I don't know. But anyway, I got the Give It To Me Straight palette. I got two lippy thingies, the Ultra Satin lips, and of course really weird colors that no one will like other than me. And I got one of these. I am so excited to use one of the Supernova shadows. It kind of reminded me of like the Stila ones. It's really gorgeous. I actually swatched it. I already cheated. So here, I'll show you guys too, since I already know what it looks like. Look, that line is still up from the drugstore Maybelline debacle. Look how pretty. I know, I'm super cheery right now. I don't know what's going on because normally I hate the world, like, really, just a lot. I tend to be a depressed person. Okay, I got an Ultra Satin lip in Petit Four, which I don't understand why this is like Petit Four. Petit Four is like a tea party color, and this is more like a, I didn't do tea parties. I snuck out of my bedroom window to the playground to meet boys when I was 8 color, if you ask me, but alright. And then the next color is Marshmallow. Woo. So I don't know if I can use these colors with the eye look that we end up doing with the palette, but we will. We'll figure it out. I like that. And then, okay, so I do have one bone to pick. Just one. Well, actually two. Okay, so I saved the packaging it came in. So I was so excited when I got it. So I like start ripping it open, and the box, I have it in a bag so it doesn't get all over the place. Let me show you. So like, this is the box that it came in, the bag, like a normal bag. Inside, the way I just ripped it like I don't know, I just started ripping it open and all of this gunk, can you see it flying through the air? Flew out. It was just so gross and annoying. I was like, did this really just happen to me? All over my bedroom. So I wasn't happy about that. And then the next thing, it's not that I wasn't happy, I guess I assumed, so everyone's like, ColourPop is so affordable. So they're more expensive than BH, I would say. And BH is affordable, but it's like when you order a BH palette, it's a smaller size. It's affordable, but it is a smaller size than other brands that are priced at a higher price point. So ColourPop is priced at a higher price point than BH, and everyone always like raves about how affordable ColourPop is. But their palettes are like range between 16 to 20 some bucks, and I thought that they were gonna be big palettes. I thought it was gonna be a big palette, and I got it and it was just small. I don't know, but I'm super excited to try it. So I've never used ColourPop, and then look at the, it's all dirty, but that's okay. I guess that's because of how it closes magnetically. But I'm excited, right? What kind of colors should we go in with? What colors are gonna match my hands? I'm gonna try to use this Supernova on the look. I want to swatch some of these. So let's swatch this BS. No, let's swatch up front. Can you see it? BS. That's pretty. Then we got Candid. That's pretty. We got Fourth Night, which this is really pretty, I think. It didn't swatch so pretty, huh? That's because my arm is really hairy. And I want to do Be Blunt. Let's Be Blunt. I feel like my camera's not clear. Those are some bad swatches, guys. My hands look pretty. I know you guys are gonna talk crap on my swatching, aren't you? That's okay. I have tough skin. You can talk about my swatching, and I don't mind. Okay, so I put my hair up and we are gonna get started. I have my lids covered in concealer right now. Oh, I almost forgot. I do need to put powder on. So I got my powder on my lids and we are gonna start this look. What do I want to do? I'm gonna go in with this color Downright as my transition color on my lids. Oh, this is a really pretty color. Guys, I know it's like, is it super light over there? The way this just blended out, I like it. I can already tell I'm happy with this color. Sometimes I like my transition colors a little darker than the rest of the world does. That's just me though. That's pretty though. I'm happy with it. Okay, so I kind of want to put a little bit more of that down. Just darken it up a little bit. What do you guys think? You know I'm going to do some stupid, crazy, extreme look that you guys probably don't like, but I do. That's just what I do. Next, we are going to go in with TMI. I'm gonna just use the same brush because I'm just going down, darkening it up. guys think? I like them. So I'm probably gonna do a cut crease with that. I do want to take a smaller blending brush and go in with this dark brown. Actually, that's my color, huh? That's my favorite word. Guys, I'm really happy with this. Okay, so I cut my crease. This is pretty. Just a little something something simple, and I'm going to go in with this Supernova shadow in UF Woe, which is that one. So pretty. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna go in on my lid just like this, and then kind of just paint it on my lid as much as I can. Oh, it's so pretty. And then, oh yes. And then take a brush and just kind of even it out. Take care of the edges. Oh no, is it cracking? It's... Guys, I think it's one of those cracker ones. We'll see. Let's just get it on and we'll see how it goes. Okay. So that's pretty. And then I was gonna just take that dark brown and come in here on the corners with a small fluffy brush that I just had, and I know I still have. Okay, so just take this dark brown and kind of pack it in and transition it in there. Okay, so it is all flaking off, like, yeah. Can you see that? It's flaking pretty badly. I mean, it's still pretty, but it's definitely flaking off all over the place. I'm not super happy about that. If it wasn't doing that, it would be really pretty. I just wish that that wasn't flaking all over the place. So I'm going to take up front, and I am going to put it in the corners of my eyes as a highlight. That's pretty. So I'm trying to like put some shadow over top to distract from the cracking. I would have taken this shadow, I would have taken a shadow if I would have known it was going to do this. Put it down and then put this over top, and I think that would have looked good, to tell you the truth. And then I'm just gonna pop this up there. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish my face up, and then we're gonna come back and talk about this, and I will put my lipstick on for you too. Which one should I do? How about I do this? Let's just make this like crazy, like all of my stuff. Okay guys, I finished the look. I used the Petit Four on my lips, which I really like this color a lot. I know it's not like your usual color, but I like it. I know all my foundations are too dark for me. I already know that. I used the Shape Tape one just because I wanted some full coverage. So I used that. I used my Shape Tape concealer. I used my Pixie Beach Rose blush. That's my favorite. Went in with some butter bronzer. Kat Von D Shade Light palette to contour. I used my Aurora Glow Kit because I thought that was appropriate for this look. I used Eclipse and Spectra, which are two beautiful colors. I popped those, obviously the normal places, on my inner corners and then up here, along with the shade in the eyeshadow palette up front. So overall, I was so happy with the products. The shadows I could not like more, and that's the honest to God's truth. The Supernova shadow, you know, now that I'm looking at it, I love it. It just, I wish I would have put a shadow underneath maybe and then tried putting it on top. But overall, I really am happy with these products. I want you guys to let me know what you think. This is Friday night. I'm gonna be putting this out, so that's weird. I guess I put out 4 videos this week again. That's not gonna be the norm. It's really not. It's just there's been new products coming out, and it seems every time I get them, like, I want to get the video out, and it comes on not my video days. So there's that. I just put up a Jeffree Star giveaway for the new Blood Sugar palette, which, oh my god, guys, who is so excited? Like, I absolutely cannot wait to create some looks with that palette. The colors are just so gorgeous and they look so pigmented, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get one for myself and for one of you lucky winners out there in YouTube/Instagram land. So you know the drill. Like, subscribe, check out my Insta, and I will see you guys on Monday. Love you. Bye. Bye.